Hi everyone. I just wanted to touch base with a quick update of everything that's happening in the world. You know, one of my great fears is that people will rely on what the news is going to tell us about what's happening, and sometimes that can influence us into making some poor decisions. So I want you to hear it straight from the horse's mouth. From our perspective, the world is in a bit of chaos right now. It's not necessarily a bad thing because there is uncertainty in the world. We've seen it with the start of the year with Russia, Ukraine, political uncertainty, interest rate uncertainty, inflation uncertainty. It's a bit of a nuts year. That doesn't necessarily mean that we throw the baby out in the bathwater. That doesn't mean that we need to panic. It's not a good time. No one's going to say that it is. There is a lot of volatility right now. But for those of you that have been long-term investors, we've been through this before. This isn't our first time seeing this. There is uncertainty. Markets are reacting negatively to this. But what we know fundamentally is that we need to hold our heads. On the investment approach that we take, we're in blue chip companies. So we're not at risk of things that are permanently disastrous. It's just short-term uncomfortable, but we know that if we can ride it out, we'll be okay. In terms of our perspective, we've been talking to a lot of fund managers, we've been talking to a lot of investment strategists about how we're going to best invest. We are happy right now if clients want to take a little bit of risk off the table. We're happy for you to talk with us, and we can look at some strategies there that we've highlighted that we think could be okay. But that's really only if you're losing sleep at night over this stuff. I feel that a lot of long-term clients won't be losing sleep over this, and we will be familiar. We went through it at the end of 2018. We went through it with COVID, and we're going through it now. If you ask what the reason for it all is, it's that interest rates are starting to go up more than the market has expected. This has created a bit of volatility and a bit of panic from some people, but hopefully that's not us. We are in good portfolios with blue chip investment managers, diversified across a number of asset classes, and we know 3 years from now it won't be as bad as it is today. I feel that we had 2 good years during COVID, very, very strong investment market years. They were lovely. Now markets have been volatile. You've seen the NASDAQ, you'll hear it on the news. The NASDAQ's down 30%. And last night, the US share market went into a bear market, going down 20%. What that does for the great managers is it gives us an opportunity to buy at a good price. Great businesses that we really liked them when they were at 100, and now maybe they're 80. That just presents opportunity. For our retirees, something that we've highlighted within our team is maybe there's possibility of now qualifying for age pension if you haven't. So please get in touch to us if you think you may be eligible. We're going to keep diversifying the portfolios. I feel if you can take less money out right now over the next 12 months, that's probably a prudent thing to do. For the accumulators, it is a good time to look to invest and dollar cost average back into the markets. The best time to invest is always when it feels the most uncomfortable. Whereas a lot of people wanted to invest last year when it was really high. Now that the markets have gone down, they don't feel as confident, but what we know is that over time markets work. We've always seen that it starts in the bottom left corner, ends in the top right corner. We know this time it won't be different. That's how it will end up. It's just a really uncomfortable time right now. But for all of our clients, please call us, talk to us. We're working hard behind the scenes to try and implement strategies to, stem the market volatility and to best position ourselves for getting the market return when it comes back. So please stay confident, please talk to us, and above all, take care of your health and everything else during these difficult times. All right, thank you, bye.